channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Dolls Handmade Creations, and oh my goodness, I am so excited. I finally was able to snag this. Yay! It is the Big Shot Switch Plus, and you know, of course, I had to have the pink. So they call it the Cherry Blossom, and I got it from scrapbook.com. So I want to do an unboxing. I'm going to take it off of there so we can see what all we get here. Alright, so I see we have the main base. I love how they, not base, platform, how they have everything on here, how to do your sandwiches. We have our 2 cutting plates. Look at that. And then we have our A plate. A adapter, that's what they call it. Tells you again how to use the framelits, thinlits, and intricate dies. Okay, this one has the 3D embossing folders, some more thinlits. So I guess it depends on what it looks like when you take it out. You know how different ones, you need different sandwiches. I love the instructions. Look at that. It's a thick book too. Then it came with some freebies. Yes. A super cute 3D embossing folder that is hearts. Oh my goodness. So cute. Some beautiful flowers. I definitely need to play with these. Look at this panel. That's an intricate die. And then look at these. Awesome. So we came with those freebies. Here's the plugs. Gonna take it out of the box. And I ordered me a bigger Lazy Susan because I have one that I use for my when I'm messing with my resin. Ooh, I should leave that on there until I'm ready. I was taking the plastic off, but I don't want it to get dirty. Hold on, let me pick this up. The other plate. Paper all over it now because I got paper all over my floor. But I got a Lazy Susan that I'm going to put it on because of it coming out of the back. I have one that I use for my when I'm doing my resin, but it is, I think it's too small, but it'll be here tomorrow. The Lazy Susan that I got, the bigger one from Amazon. All right, look at this. Ooh, it's heavy. Look at this baby. I am so excited. I'm pretty sure y'all have seen many people use it. I mean, it's been a hot thing, and I'm so excited to finally get an electric cutting machine. I've been telling my husband I wanted to get one, and I was trying to decide which one I wanted, and this came out, and I was like, oh, most definitely, because I trust the Sizzix brand. It's got a lot of plastic on it. Oh, I love the handles here. You stick your hands in there to pick it up. That's the back. Look how they have gotten all of this plastic on here. They're trying to make sure nothing happens to it. It's always a good sign. Look at that door. Ah! Close it up while we get the... Ooh, doll, you trying to tear it up already? Well, hopefully it's tough. Oh my God. Alright, I'll turn around this way. Because I've been watching all the videos and all of that, watching people use it, and I'm not liking the idea of having to move it to get the thing out the back, the plate out the back. So I thought that would be a great idea to use this Lazy Susan that I already have, but I just ordered a bigger one, like I said. Thank you, Sizzix, for all this protectiveness you put on here. Oh my goodness. Look at this baby. Look at it. That pink is so pretty. Got a little door here. You could put little things in here that that you might want to use. Like this. Look at that. Nice. It fits in there very nice. Let me see, where's my other scraper thing I just got. Here we go, from Tim Holtz. Yeah, put that in there if I wanted to. Close it down. The little picks that you use. I don't even know where mine is right now. That will be awesome, guys. OMG. I want to plug this baby up. Because what I want to do is, once you put it on the Lazy Susan, feed it in, I can turn it and get my plate out the back. This is going to be so pretty, guys. Woo! Alright, so let's plug it in. It comes separated like this. Take off, because I'm going to leave it right where it is as soon as I get that Lazy Susan tomorrow from Amazon. It's next day delivery. You know that Prime. I love it when I can get stuff next day. Okay. That's the power. The cord. There we go. I just want to cut something. You know, we got to try it at least, guys, right? I didn't even bring no paper nothing over here. But we can get some. And it plugs in. I'm tearing nothing up. Okay, why is it doing that? Okay. Very easy. And plug it in right there. Yes. Look at that little light that came on. Right here. Can y'all see that? Right here. So this is the reverse button. Power button. Y'all see it's illuminated now. So let's see what we can cut. Let me see. Let's cut one of these. Cut and emboss. Let's do that. I don't want to do those flowers. Let's do something simple. Just to see. I know I got paper right here. I don't want to cut the paper I'm using though. So let me grab this boo. You know, Tonic Studio paper is rather thick too. Grabbing the wrong scissors. Even though I got that big plate, I still can cut it down. All right. Turn it this way. What do I do with the plates, guys? Oh, over here. All right. So I probably do not need this one, the normal cutter. I'm trying to see what it says. Is this the thinlet? Maybe. And it says this, then a plate. Might as well take that off now. Oh my God. This stuff is sticky. But I'm loving the cleanness. To make sure I keep rotating it. Okay, so put that down. I love the size of this mat too. Look at that. This is the one that fell on the floor. This is a big plate. Let me see. This is 12-inch by 12 by, looks like 8 7/8. And this plate is 8 3/4 by, looks like 12 1/2, but I'm not sure. Not 100%. All right, then it says put the die down. It wants you to cut it. Oh, it wants you to cut it face up. like to do that, but I'm gonna do it. And let's put the top plate on. Alright, let's run this baby through. Ooh, I like how it's got the word Sizzix. Oh, it's on both sides. Okay. So let's see if it takes it on through. Look at that. It ain't going. Look how slow it's going. What is the problem? Oh, maybe I don't have the sandwich right. Oh Lord, what was that? Okay, that didn't work. Yep, I guess not. So now I need to put this here, up, this, and this. Let's see how that works. That lazy Susan gonna come in handy. You're supposed to just snatch it. There we go. Oh, there we go. It wasn't thick enough. The sandwich was not right. Yes. Ooh, like butter. And y'all know you have to take it out in order to keep that motor keep rolling. Oh. Alright, so that plate right there is used. Look at that. Like butter. Love it, love it, love it. So let's test out the embossing folder. So, I'm trying to think, do I need to use... Let's use this orange I've been using. Ooh, no, let's use this. It'll probably show up very well with this pearlescent card. Figure out the sandwich. This is so nice. This is my first electronic machine, guys. And I was just telling him, I'm like, listen, I am getting tired of that rolling, you know? Alright, so let's see. Embossing folder. We don't need this plate. We just need this plate. Uh-oh. Make sure it's all the way on there. With the embossing folder down and one plate on top. So you don't put it on a plate. Alright. Ooh, I'm loving that. Yes, hunty. Uh-oh. Maybe I didn't have that sandwich right because I had to push it through. But look at that embossing, guys. What the what? Can y'all see that? Beautiful. Deboss side. Oh, that is beautiful. Deep impression. Yes, honey. So did y'all catch the sale for this machine? The Sizzix Big Shot Switch. Did y'all catch that sale? I am so excited to start playing and cutting out all of my dies. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. Ooh, this is so pretty. I hope y'all were able to catch that sale. I don't know if it's not on sale right now. And somebody else, I watched somebody else's video and they said it was available at that time. So I rushed on there to see, and it was available at scrapbook.com. I got to work, told my girlfriend, and she mad at me because I didn't call and tell her. I wasn't thinking about it. I told her the next day, but it was sold out. I think at different places, the colors are different. Like at Joann's, I think it's a peach. Michael's, I think it's a white. I can't remember. I know Tim Holtz, the one that got Tim Holtz's name on it, is black. So y'all just have to search around. They will come back in stock. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye-bye.